Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you taco jerk chicken. This is new and different. Alright, so you're gonna need some chicken breast tenders, boneless chicken, some lettuce, cheddar, cheese for salad, and some taco shells. You can use soft taco as well. And jerk sauce. You're gonna need some jerk sauce. Alright, for the chicken dipping sauce, for the jerk's chicken dipping sauce, you're gonna need some garlic, ketchup, jerk sauce, dried basil, and dried parsley. Alright, so first prepare the vegetables by rinsing and washing under running water. So first remove the lettuce root, add some salt or white vinegar, and just wash it properly. Look between the leaves for dirt and worm. So take each leaf and use your finger and clean between the leaves. Make sure it's cleaned properly. Alright, so once you do that, let's put this aside for later. Alright, now take a few of the leaves, lettuce leaves, and shred fine. By using a knife, use your hand to hold the lettuce firm and just shred it. If you have a cutting board, you just place it on the cutting board and shred it like this. Fine. Alright, that's the idea. Put it aside for later. Now, the tomato, just remove the stem, cut in half, and remove the tomatoes seeds. For this taco, you can leave back a little bit of some of the seeds. Alright, so now slice and dice tomato fine by cut it in strips and then cut the strips to small pieces like this. Alright, let's cover it, put it aside for later. Alright, this is our local Jamaican cheese, but you can use cheddar cheese for salad. And you can shred the cheese or you can cut the cheese in strips. Alright, now we're gonna make MiQuel's jerk chicken dipping sauce. So visit Jamaica Dinners for the exact ingredients.com. 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon ketchup, jerk sauce. You need a tablespoon of jerk sauce. Alright. Next, the pepper. Alright, now look, listen. You can make this jerk sauce mild to as spicy as you want it. So if you want it very, very spicy, you can add the pepper's seed to the sauce. But now, just cut off however much pepper you want and dice it fine. Fine, fine, fine. And add it to the sauce. The pepper made my hands hot. So if I rub my eyes right now or touch anything, it's going to burn it. So I have to wash my hands properly. Alright, next, grate the onion, a quarter piece of an onion to puree. If you don't want to do it this way, just add a teaspoon of onion powder. Garlic, 1 garlic clove. Just grind it down to pulp. Next, add a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of dried parsley and half a teaspoon of dried basil, fresh herbs. Next, add half a teaspoon of sugar. Now, just stir the ingredients in thoroughly. Alright, so that's what you want. This is the sauce. This sauce is a very interesting sauce. It's nice. You can use it on the jerk chicken sandwich, and it's made for taco jerk chicken. Alright, so once you do that, put the sauce aside for later. Alright. Take your boneless chicken breasts. They look clean, but first rinse it off with some white vinegar and water, just a little bit. Then throw the water off. Now, cut your chicken breast in strips. Say about 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick. Strips like a finger, or the size of a finger. Alright, so that's the idea. Just put this aside for later. Alright, now put to heat saucepan. Put your sauce gauge on 2 low. And then you add the chicken strips and 2 tablespoons of jerk sauce. I'm just cooking 1 chicken breast for the tacos. Alright, so this is my tray. This is really a pizza tray, but I'm gonna place the jerk chicken pieces on the tray. Alright, it's been between 2 minutes, and this is what it looks like. You just stir it in. This This is a pre-cooked before baking or jerking. Well, it's baking because you have to bake it in small pieces. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. Just gonna add a little bit more jerk sauce. So you can use 2 between 3 tablespoons of jerk sauce if you are doing just the sandwich alone. For 1 chicken's breast. Alright, so after you do that, you just cover it. Alright, preheat oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. About 5 minutes before baking. Alright, it's been 4 minutes, simmering on low. So you just stir it in properly, thoroughly. The stove's gauge is on 2, and that's within 4 minutes. Within 4 minutes. Turn it off and get ready for the next step. Alright, now you just take the jerk chicken that you've been simmering and just place it on your baking tray. As you see me doing. Pour some of the jerk sauce over the chicken. You're gonna baste the chicken again, so keep your sauce. It's best if you take it off the oven because it's gonna dry out, because the oven is gonna get hot. And place it in the oven. Alright, so you just take your pizza, put it on the rack 1 below the middle. Just cover it, keep the oven closed within the time, and put your timer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Alright. After 7 minutes, you just take the chicken out and baste it with more jerk sauce. This is what it looks like after 7 minutes. So you just rotate the chicken pieces, flip the chicken breast on the other side for the sandwich, and baste with jerk sauce, and then put it back in the oven. Alright, after the 20 minutes, you take turn the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit and then bake it for an additional 5 minutes. Alright, after the time, just remove your jerk chicken from the oven. Tender and nice, ready to be eaten. As for the taco jerk chicken, you just put it in its own container. So this is jerk taco jerk chicken. Alright, now we're gonna start making some tacos. So you put your toppings and your dipping sauce on a serving tray, all in one place. Get your taco shells. See, I store them in a bag and seal the bag properly if you're not going to use them all, because it will get soft. Alright, now that's a tomato, jerk chicken, lettuce, and dipping sauce and taco shells. You can use soft taco for this as well. Alright, so now take your jerk chicken and lay it at the bottom of the taco, inside the bottom. Trust me guys, you should try this recipe. It's different. It's spicy, hot. Jamaicans, you're gonna love this. We know Jamaicans love jerk chicken. And the sauce make it hotter or more spicy. Alright, so next you can now put some jerk sauce, MiQuel's jerk chicken dipping sauce on top of that, top of the jerk sauce. And then lay lettuce on top of that, and then diced tomato on top of that. As you see me doing. Alright, you can use your shredded cheese, or I just cut my cheese in strips. It's a soft cheese that we actually eat with buns. Alright, so taco jerk chicken, new, different, and delicious. Alright, now let's taste this thing. Alright, so you just take a hold, a nice grip of your taco, your jerk chicken taco, and take a big bite. It's hot, spicy. It's very spicy. You can see the jerk chicken. Spicy. Spicy. It's very spicy. Hot. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. You can see the pepper. It's good. This taco is like really spicy. The sauce make it spicy, so you can use less pepper if you don't wanna. It's not the chicken, it's the sauce. It's hot. It's burning my palate right now. Alright, so you just prepare the other taco. Taco jerk chicken. Alright, see you. Visit JamaicanDinners.com. Subscribe and like. Yeah, man!